Hello and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today we're talking about the Ultra Concrete Washout Berm. But before we get to the product, I'd like to take a quick moment to explain why there's a need for products like this. On large construction sites, a housing subdivision for example, there's a designated site where concrete trucks go after they've poured foundations, sidewalks, or driveways. They use their onboard water supply to wash off the truck's chutes and any other areas that have concrete on them. The reason for this is twofold. One, the DOT and local law enforcement will not allow a vehicle that is dripping wet concrete or aggregate to travel the roadways and endanger other drivers. And secondly, most of these trucks have a considerable drive back to the concrete plant that they call home, and if they were to wait until they returned, the cleanup would be 10 times harder. So what happens if it's a smaller job site and there is no designated washout area? The drivers are left to figure it out, and needless to say, it's not the easiest problem to solve. Enter the Ultra Concrete Washout Berm. The Concrete Washout Berm is a heavy-duty portable pool that is quickly set up to capture wastewater from concrete, cement, and other construction washdown. The 10 mil polyethylene material is UV and chemical resistant and stands up to the type of abuse commonly seen on construction sites. The berm measures 4 by 4 and stands 14 inches tall, so it is able to contain up to 139 gallons. When not in use, the concrete washout folds down and rolls up into a compact package that can easily be stored inside of a cab or under a seat. Other products to consider if you're looking at the Ultra Concrete Washout Berm and aren't quite convinced. Well, we just so happen to have an economy model concrete washout berm. It uses a corrugated structure with a polyethylene liner and comes in 3 different sizes. It's a great option that's even more budget friendly than the standard model. There's a link below should you care to look into it further. Thank you for your attention. Please look for other product training videos on our YouTube channel.